Welcome to TechMirror, the top 5 best portable tire inflators in 2025, carefully selected to keep you prepared on the road anytime, anywhere. Whether you're looking for compact, powerful, or budget-friendly options, we have covered it all in this list. Stay tuned until the end to find the perfect inflator for your needs. Do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5. The AstroAI Tire Inflator. Portable air compressor is a reliable and practical accessory for every vehicle owner. Powered by a 12-volt DC cigarette lighter, this inflator ensures you are always ready for unexpected tire pressure issues while on the road. Its 9.8-foot cord length provides sufficient reach for most regular-sized vehicles, making it convenient to use without any struggle. One of the standout features is the programmable inflation system. With simple button controls, you can set your desired pressure unit and level, and the inflator will automatically shut off once the preset pressure is achieved. This feature ensures accuracy and prevents overinflation. The digital display offers clear readings with 4 pressure unit options, allowing easy monitoring during use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in the glove compartment, trunk, or under seats without taking up space. The backlit screen combined with a built-in LED flashlight adds great value for nighttime or emergency use, providing clear visibility even in low light conditions. The independent flashlight button enhances ease of operation, making this inflator user-friendly. AstroAI also incorporates its exclusive Tough Ultra technology for enhanced durability. With precision-engineered internal parts, the inflator delivers a longer service life and dependable performance. Customer reviews highlight its efficiency, quick inflation, and compact storage, making it an excellent companion for road trips, daily commutes, or emergencies. Overall, the AstroAI Tire Inflator portable air compressor combines convenience, smart features, and durability, making it a must-have car accessory for both men and women. Number 4. The WARWOLF 160 PSI Tire Inflator. Portable air compressor is a powerful, versatile, and reliable companion for drivers, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Built with an advanced digital display and top-tier design, this inflator ensures accurate pressure readings while protecting against overheating, overcharge, and short circuits. Its fireproof material construction, graphene integration, and triple safety core deliver exceptional durability and safety, making it a dependable travel tool. Equipped with a 22mm copper motor cylinder and a 1000 mAh battery, this air pump provides impressive endurance and speed. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi and airflow of 48 liters per minute, it inflates tires up to 5 times faster than many alternatives, filling a 205/55 R16 tire in under 1 minute. Thanks to its graphene dual-core cooling technology, the surface remains safe and cooler even during continuous use. The auto shutoff function makes it user-friendly and safe by automatically stopping once the preset pressure is reached. It comes with Schrader and Presta valves as well as needles for balls and swim rings, supporting cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. 4 preset modes and a custom mode up to 160 psi add to its versatility. Compact and lightweight at just 1 pound, this inflator also doubles as a power bank and an emergency flashlight with steady, strobe, and SOS modes. The included 11-foot 12V car cable ensures reliable backup power. Overall, the WARWOLF Tire Inflator delivers outstanding performance, convenience, and emergency readiness, making it a must-have roadside companion. Number 3. The ZUZEE Z1 Tire Inflator. Portable air compressor is a powerful and versatile tool designed for quick, accurate, and reliable inflation. With an impressive 150 psi capacity and advanced technology, it inflates up to 4 times faster than many comparable portable inflators while maintaining an accuracy of plus 0.1 bar. This ensures both speed and precision, making it an ideal companion for drivers, cyclists, and sports enthusiasts. Ease of use is a standout feature, with 4 preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, plus a custom mode for up to 150 psi. The digital pressure gauge clearly displays both preset values and real-time readings, while the automatic shutoff function prevents overinflation. Switching between 4 pressure units is simple, allowing flexibility for different users. The ZUZEE Z1 excels in power and endurance with its high-performance 5C battery, delivering continuous operation for 1 to 2 hours without external power. It can also be powered directly via a 12-volt car cigarette lighter, providing reliable dual power options. With its 2000 mAh capacity, it even functions as an emergency power bank for electronic devices. Safety and practicality are thoughtfully addressed with an anti-scalding air tube, overheating protection, and a multifunction LED light that serves as illumination, warning signal, or distress beacon. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to store in a glove compartment or trunk. With a 30-day return policy and 24-month warranty, the ZUZEE Z1 Tire Inflator offers peace of mind, efficiency, and convenience, making it an excellent investment for everyday use and emergencies. Number 2. The AOSKI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a thoughtfully designed, senior-friendly solution that combines portability, power, and simplicity. With a robust 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers 12 to 15 tire inflations per charge, making it dependable for both everyday use and emergencies. The battery fully recharges in only 2.5 hours through fast USB-C charging. And an intelligent power management system ensures up to 4 times longer lifespan compared to many competitors. A real-time percentage display eliminates guesswork, letting users know exactly how much power remains. Weighing only 1.6 pounds and equipped with an ergonomic handle, this inflator is 37% more portable than traditional compressors. Its compact build makes it easy to store in a trunk or garage without taking up space, ideal for urban drivers with limited storage. Stress-free operation is ensured with a one-button control system, auto shutoff for overinflation protection, and accuracy within +1%. At just 68 decibels, it runs quietly without disturbing the surroundings. The 360-degree LED work light adds convenience for nighttime emergencies, while built-in thermal protection automatically cools the motor during extended use. With 6 included professional nozzles and a magnetic quick connect system, this inflator adapts seamlessly for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and inflatables. Its 150 psi capacity provides reliable performance for SUVs and road bikes alike. Praised for its durability, shock-proof casing, and ease of use, the AOSKI Tire Inflator is compact, powerful, and exceptionally user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for elderly drivers and families seeking a reliable roadside tool. Number 1. The DEWALT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 20V Max is a robust and versatile air pump designed for both professional and personal use. With multiple inflation modes, including high pressure for tires and high volume for rapid inflation and deflation, this compressor offers remarkable flexibility. Its automatic shutoff feature ensures precise inflation and prevents overinflation, providing peace of mind for every user. This portable air compressor is compatible with 3 power sources, including a 20V max battery, 12-volt DC, and 110-volt AC, making it ideal for use on job sites, in vehicles, or at home. The integrated LED light adds convenience by providing illumination during nighttime or low-light operation, enhancing usability in any environment. Heavy-duty rubber feet reduce walking and vibration while in use, ensuring stability and safety during operation. The DEWALT Tire Inflator also includes onboard accessory storage, keeping necessary attachments organized and accessible. Its threaded chuck guarantees a secure connection to the inflation valve, preventing air leaks and ensuring efficient operation. Despite its durable build and robust features, the compressor remains lightweight and portable at just over 6 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. Customers consistently praise the DEWALT Tire Inflator for its reliability, speed, and build quality. It inflates tires faster and more efficiently than many standard portable pumps, offering excellent value for the investment. Overall, this air compressor is a dependable, high-performance tool suitable for cars, trucks, and other inflatables, making it a worthwhile addition to any toolkit or vehicle emergency kit. Thank you for watching our countdown of the top 5 best portable tire inflators in 2025. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect inflator for your car, bike, or outdoor adventures. Each option combines speed, accuracy, and portability to keep you prepared on the road. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Stay safe and keep your tires perfectly inflated.